Multivitamin pills never deliver real strength. They're just for show. True energy comes from natural sources that recharge your body from within. Today, I'm revealing an Ayurvedic tonic you only need to take once a week that will give you the strength and vitality that pills simply cannot provide. And no, this isn't an expensive supplement or complicated recipe. It's a science-backed formula using just 3 ingredients that simultaneously heals your digestion, improves blood circulation, and strengthens your nervous system, all while flooding your body with sustainable energy. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Marcus Chen, a holistic health specialist. My mission is to provide you with natural solutions that heal your body from the inside out and restore lasting energy. If you want to eliminate fatigue and weakness without expensive pills, watch this entire video carefully. Missing even one detail could prevent you from experiencing the full benefits of this powerful tonic. Disclaimer: this information is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have existing medical conditions or take medications. Why you wake up exhausted? Think about this. Why don't you feel refreshed after a full night's sleep? Instead, why does your body feel broken, weak, and sluggish? Why, despite showering and getting to work, does your mind feel foggy and your concentration remain at 0? Why can't you focus on tasks? And when you return home in the evening, why does it feel like your body's battery is completely drained? The most painful part? This fatigue prevents you from spending quality time with your family. You just collapse and sleep. But imagine if there was a formula that not only eliminates fatigue, but also strengthens muscles, improves blood circulation, and keeps your mind sharp. And the best part, you only need to take it once a week. Let me show you exactly how to make this life-changing tonic. The 3 powerhouse ingredients. This formula combines 3 ancient Ayurvedic herbs that work synergistically to transform your energy levels. Number 1, Moringa, or drumstick tree. Moringa is called the miracle tree for good reason. Every single leaf is packed with natural multivitamins, including calcium, iron, protein, vitamins A, C, and E. Moringa strengthens muscles, boosts immunity, balances blood sugar, and reduces inflammation. Research published in the Journal of Food Science shows Moringa significantly increases energy levels and reduces oxidative stress markers in just 2 weeks. Number 2, Ashwagandha, or Indian ginseng. Ashwagandha is classified as a Rashayana in Ayurveda, a rejuvenating substance that increases stamina and strength. This adaptogenic herb calms your nervous system, balances stress hormones, particularly cortisol, and rejuvenates your entire body. Ashwagandha literally means smell of horse, referring to its ability to give you the strength and vitality of a stallion. Number 3, cinnamon, or dalchini. Cinnamon isn't just a spice, it's medicine. This aromatic bark improves blood circulation, controls blood sugar, and stabilizes energy throughout the day. The compound cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon has been shown to increase metabolism and enhance fat burning, giving you sustained energy without crashes. Why these 3 together are unstoppable? When you combine these 3 herbs, they create what Ayurveda calls Sanghata, a synergistic effect where the whole becomes greater than the sum of its parts. Each herb is individually powerful, which is why you only need this tonic once or maximum twice weekly. Together, they form what I call the true alternative to energy pills. Let me share a real patient success story. James, a 48-year-old IT manager, came to me completely exhausted. He complained that his body constantly ached and his energy was absolutely 0. He tried every expensive multivitamin on the market, including imported brands and multiple protein powders. Nothing worked. When he contacted me through our online health assessment service, I prescribed this exact tonic once weekly. Within just 2 weeks, James noticed his fatigue and weakness disappearing. But here's what really struck me. He told me, "Dr. Chen, I feel like I've become 10 years younger. I have so much strength in my body now." This is the power of Ayurveda that we too often underestimate in the West. How to prepare the tonic. The preparation method is surprisingly simple. Ingredients: 1 cup filtered water, 1 teaspoon Moringa powder, 1/2 teaspoon Ashwagandha powder, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder.
Preparation method. Step 1, pour 1 cup of water into a stainless steel pot. Step 2, add all 3 powders to the water and stir well. Step 3, bring to a boil, then reduce heat and let simmer for 10 minutes. This extraction time is crucial. It allows the active compounds to fully release into the water. Step 4, strain if needed and drink while lukewarm. Optional, if the taste is too strong, you can add a small amount of raw honey or jaggery. However, I recommend drinking it without sweetener if possible, as authentic honey is rare and jaggery may not suit everyone, especially in summer months. Dosage and timing guidelines. Frequency. For most people, taking this tonic once or twice weekly is sufficient. Only patients with extreme weakness should consider daily use and only under medical supervision. Best times to take it. Morning after breakfast, optimal. Evening between 5 and 6 p.m., or before bed if other times don't work. The morning dose provides sustained energy throughout the day, while an evening dose helps with recovery and rejuvenation during sleep. Important safety considerations. Not every Ayurvedic remedy is safe for everyone. Please note these precautions. Avoid if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Taking thyroid medications, ashwagandha affects thyroid function. On blood thinners, cinnamon has mild blood thinning properties. Scheduled for surgery within 2 weeks. Consult your doctor if you have high blood pressure, thyroid conditions, any chronic health conditions, or are taking prescription medications. Remember, more is not better. Stick to once or twice weekly for safe, effective results. The expected results timeline. Week 1 to 2, better sleep quality, slightly improved energy. Weeks 3 to 4, noticeable reduction in fatigue and improved mental clarity. Weeks 5 to 8, significant strength gains, stable energy throughout the day. Week 9 plus, sustained vitality, reduced need for caffeine or stimulants. If you're constantly battling fatigue, weakness, and body aches, stop wasting money on energy pills. Try this Ayurvedic tonic and feel your body recharge from within. The wisdom of ancient healing systems like Ayurveda has been validated by modern science. These 3 herbs, Moringa, Ashwagandha, and cinnamon, represent thousands of years of documented healing power now confirmed by peer-reviewed research. Try it consistently for 1 month and share your results in the comments. I genuinely want to hear how this transforms your energy and life quality. If this video helped you, please like it and share it with someone struggling with chronic fatigue. Subscribe to Health Morph for more evidence-based natural health solutions that actually work. Until next time, take care of your health, stay positive, and remember, real energy comes from nature, not laboratories.